Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device model and the exact OS version so you download the correct update. Once you've freed at least 5% storage, start a backup to cloud or external drive and verify it completed. Make sure to plug into mains power and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Next, open the System Update panel and check for updates. Follow prompts to download the package, but don't install until the download verifies checksum and the backup is confirmed. You now handle the download and prepare for installation with deliberate care. First, read release notes to spot breaking changes and ensure critical apps are compatible. Once you start the download, watch progress and wait for checksum verification to finish. This guarantees file integrity. Make sure to close non-essential apps and disable persistent VPNs or disk encryptors that block updates. Schedule the install during a low-use window because the device will restart and perform migrations that can take several minutes to an hour. You finish by completing post-install setup and validating system health. After the restart, sign back in, restore any settings lost, and update apps and drivers to match the new OS. Once done, check storage, run a quick battery calibration, and confirm peripherals function. If something goes wrong and the device won't boot, enter safe mode to diagnose. Make sure you can access your backup. If needed, restore from backup or use recovery media to reinstall the OS, and then apply updates again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.